Listen to me. There is something in my eye. I can't get it out. It's very annoying. Hey bunnies, welcome to another video. This is video 3 of 4 for this week. Like I said in the previous 2 videos that went up today, I'm doing 4 videos for the week and I'm filming all 4 videos in one day. This is again video number 3. So let's start. For today's video, this one is brought to you by Deirdre. You know some love Deirdre. Deirdre did not sponsor this video, but yeah, I might pitch that soon. Anyways, so Deirdre, they posted a post or reposted a post, and I commented on the post, and I was like, this is a good little topic to discuss. So the post said, ladies, be honest. If you have a man at home and you got to the bar with your friends and another man offers to buy you a drink, would you accept or decline the drink? Is it disrespectful to your man or not? So I'm reading the comments and they're like, that would never happen. I'm expecting just to be nice. Why would I decline it? May I tell him no? Easy way to answer this. Would you want your man buying another woman drinks at a bar? Once I'm going out, it means I have money. Comments are being done but being polite. Man buys your drink at the bar party to be polite, but the hypocrisy of it all. At the end of the day, a lot of people were like, no, don't take the drinks because it's rude, and you know, no man is buying your drink just to be nice. So I commented and a few people agreed with me. I'm like, reading the comments made me realize that me and my friend them are some real dusty foot girl, because not only are we accepting, but he would be paying for all drinks going forward. And babes, I'm gonna tell you this right now. This is why you cannot be with a jealous man or an insecure man, right? Let's start right there. Because if I'm putting myself out there and I'm going out with my girlfriends and we're drinking and vibing and having a good time, if a man approaches and offers to buy us drinks, we're going to accept the drinks. The less money I can spend out of my pocket, the better. Now, with that, you also have to use discernment. You have to realize or pay attention to who the creepy boys are. And it can be very inconspicuous of, is that the right word I'm using, of who they are, who they portray themselves to be, which is why you have to keep your head on a swivel and make sure that you're going out with girls that you trust and that can trust you. Be a girl's girl and surround yourself with girls. Luckily for me, I have never been in a position where I was set up or felt like I was being set up, or actually, I don't even recall. Honestly, I'm not going to say I haven't, because I'm now approaching 35. I've been out so many times with so many different girl groups. It's been so many drunk nights. I've been a member. If they did, they've been at the pass. But yeah, when accepting drinks, you just have to be smart with it. And then at the end of the night, I'm going home to my man and he's going to enjoy the fruits of that person's labor, right? And then I come home with my pocketbook still full of money. And then you also have to know your drink limits. You have to know how many drinks it takes for you to get to a certain point. Now, some of us, when I call a name, know their limits and still exceed the limit because party nice and you know whatever juice or flow. But we need to be more careful. We need to be more aware, right? So if you know your drink limit is 3, just start drink some water or drink a Red Bull. You're already out late at night, like just drink a Red Bull, you will be okay. I promise you'll be okay. Just drink a Red Bull and some water. You will be fine. But is it disrespectful to your man? I don't think so. Unless you're sitting there flirting and exchanging numbers and exchanging social medias and it's not like a networking thing, then yes, it can be disrespectful. It can be seen as disrespectful. Then, real beautiful girl, you know. Because listen, if it's one thing with me and my friend them, if he's spending money and him look good, he's going to feel like him have a chance. I'm not lie. Him gonna feel like him have a chance. until the end of the night where we're just ghosting. And even that you have to be careful with as well. You have to make sure that you're not in a place where you don't know anybody, and always befriend the bartender. Make friends with the bartender. Be nice to your bartender. Be nice to your servers, your waiters, your waitresses, your busboys. Be nice to the door person. Be nice to the security guard. Be nice to everybody, because you never know. I am big on this. I'm heavy on this. I love befriending the bartenders, because whenever somebody comes up and they want to buy me a drink, the bartender is looking at me and be like, all right, you want another one, or you want, you know? Yeah. Yes. Be nice to your bartenders. They will look out for you. Yeah. So is it disrespectful to your man? Is it disrespectful to your relationship? I think it depends on the relationship that you're in. You know your person, you know yourself. I'm not going to say there's a right or wrong way to answer this. The most respectful way would be to be like, you know what, babes, I'm so sorry, I have a man and he wouldn't like it. You sound like a loser. You sound like a dork. Like, just drink the drink, or just be like, all right, I've had enough for the night, thank you. But other than that, cheers. Thanks, sir, you're so kind. Because y'all pay for the rest of the drinks now. But yeah, just wanted to talk about that. I want you guys' views. If you feel like you would take the drink, let me know. If you feel like it's disrespectful, let me know. If you feel like, you know, your man don't care, whatever, you're going home to him at the end of that anyways, yeah, go suck with that right off, buddy. Girl. But yeah, that's that. Thank you guys so much for watching. Until next time, and man for spend money upon girl. Girl can't look so good and man not spend the money, must have madam. Peace sign and kissy face. Bye.